products and experience through direct bargaining. This creates a strong connection between sellers and buyers that modern markets can give us. This is the lack of modern markets. As a supporter of traditional markets, I believe that they play a crucial role in boosting local economies. Training UMKM means training our society to even with visitors today remains a vital part of community daily life. I'm reporter Azara Siti Nurami, back to see you. Thank you.